everyone. Welcome back to the SoftStart Home FAQ series. I'm Cassidy, your spokesperson, and today I'm here with Doug, the co-founder of SoftStart Home.
Glad to be back. Today we're diving into the nuts and bolts of how SoftStarts work, how to install one, and how to choose the right model.
This is the stuff that our tech support team helps people with every day. So let's break it down. Let's start from the top. Doug, how does the SoftStart actually work?
Well, that's a really good question. Some people call it FM freaking magic, but it's not. A self-starter works by gradually increasing the voltage to the motor during startup. Instead of delivering the full power instantly, which causes a big spike, it ramps up the power smoothly over a quarter of a second. This reduces the inrush current and the mechanical stress on the compressor motor.
So it's like giving your compressor a gentle push instead of a jolt.
Exactly. Which is, of course, less wear and tear, fewer power issues, and a whole lot more compatibility with smaller generators or limited power systems like solar batteries.
Gotcha. Now, for the big question, how do you install a SoftStart on a home AC system?
Well, before you even start your installation process, you should know that we have customized wiring diagrams for installation for just about every AC brand on the market on our website. Simply download the diagram from your specific unit and follow the 6 simple step process. This installation doesn't require any cutting or splicing of wires and is do-it-yourself tech friendly.
Wow, that sounds really helpful. And where on the website can I find those diagrams?
Just visit softstarthome.com/diagrams. Select your home's AC model. Simple.
Perfect. And after you have that diagram, then what is the first real step in the installation process?
It is safety first. Always turn off the power at the breaker. Then you'll connect the SoftStart 5 wires to the compressor start, run, and common terminals, following the step-by-step diagram and the guide that we provide for all the home units.
Great. Plus, we have an incredible US-based tech support team to help out the do-it-yourselfers, right?
Yeah, well, they help technicians, and well, you can schedule a call. They'll walk you through the installation process step by step. We even hop on FaceTime if you need it. Great for technicians.
Wow, I love that. And how can customers schedule that call with tech support?
Just go to SoftStartHome.com support. Click create a ticket. Schedule a call at a time that's most convenient for you.
Great. So this sounds like it's great for customers who aren't comfortable with their AC.
Exactly, and if you're not, a local HVAC tech can install it in about 20 minutes.
So I know a lot of our customers are homeowners and they're also RV'ers. So what about an RV AC? Is that different? How would you install a SoftStart on an RV air conditioner?
Similar process, just take place on the roof of an RV. For an RV SoftStart installation, you'll want to purchase the SoftStart RV product, just like our SoftStart Home, but it's for RVs. We have all the wiring diagrams for all the major RV AC brands, Coleman, Dometic, GE. And you just go to SoftStartRV.com/diagrams. From there, you just take the shroud off, mount the SoftStart, wire it into the compressor and the capacitor. Takes about 20 minutes.
Wow. Well, I've seen some people just install it with a screwdriver and a YouTube video and a dream.
Well, that's kind of the goal. We try to make it do-it-yourself friendly, and we support everyone with YouTube videos. We have installation videos for all of our products on our YouTube channel. That may help. Just visit youtube.com/SoftStartUSA.
And so how do I know what size or model SoftStart to buy?
Simple. It depends on the size of your AC. Most home AC units up to 6 tons work with our standard models. Check with your technician to determine if you have a 2 or a 3, 4, 5, or 6 model. If you're not sure, our team will help you match the right product.
Just send us a picture of your AC label and we can do the rest. So, last question, Doug. How exactly does a SoftStart actually reduce the starting current?
It reduces what's called inrush current, the massive spike of amps when the compressor kicks on. By gradually applying the voltage, it limits that spike up to 70%, which protects your power source and reduces breaker trips.
And that's the key to making your AC work with generators, solar setups, or just run more quietly and smoothly, right?
Yep, it's all about delivering low power solutions that solve energy problems and protect your way of life.
That's so great. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, drop your questions in the comments, and we might even answer yours in the next FAQ video.
And if you're ready to install a SoftStart, check out SoftStartHome.com. We've got everything you need, including a free installation kit.
Great. Thanks for watching. See you next time.